Oh, that's okay. Oh boy, it's muddy. Should have had the camera the other way. You guys should have seen all the mud flying around. Oh, I'm out of shape. Haven't even biked probably a kilometer from the house, and I'm just sweating. Totally gassed. Oh, it's worth it though. You gotta start somewhere. Oh, look at the river. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to get down there today. Nice day for this though. I think I'm gonna have to wash my bike. Give her the old pressure wash. It is so slippery under this mud. Pretty sure the ground's still frozen. Yeah, we'll get the drone up today too, maybe. Wasn't feeling very ambitious today when I woke up. I'm not sure why. Then I thought, let's go ride the bike. That'll pick up your spirits. And what do you know? It did. Feeling pretty good now. I'd really like to hit the trails, the bike ranch, but I think it's probably too muddy still. So, oh, this is a muddy hill. Let's just walk up this one. Just gonna spin out for sure. Barely walk up it. Whoa. Tell you what, flat bottom shoes are not ideal for walking in slimy mud. I think we'll do is carry on back towards the house, go for a little boot down the road, get the heart pounding a little bit, cardio in, then we'll come back, grab the drone, and head down to the river, do some fishing down there. I think this is the first time I've ridden in mud with my bike. Absolutely gorgeous day today. Fantastic. Gorgeous yesterday too. 15 degrees. Bluebird all day. Definitely can't complain for March weather. There's a trail down over here. Not. Ooh, slippery. Oh, yeah, there's a trail. Some of it's pretty dry, but lots of slippery spots. Trying to avoid the wet, shiny spots because I know for sure I can lose traction there. Much it for this part. Short little bike ride, kind of test some trails out really. the highway should get the mud off my tires anyways. Attempt it? Should we go down there? It looks pretty mucky. How about that water though, hey? Wow. Unreal. Oh. Well. 10 minutes of riding. Oh, look at that. We got some mud on the camera even. 10 minutes of riding? Nah, maybe more like half an hour riding. My butt's sweaty. It probably looks like I shit myself because I noticed now there's a big glob of mud on my seat and I sat right on it. So that's probably pretty cool. Yeah, I'm gonna go probably go spray my bike off because I do have to bring it in the house. And grab my fishing gear, and we'll see you guys down here in a little bit. So thanks for coming along. Stay tuned. Hell, here we go, folks. Got a backpack full of crap, my chair, fishing pole, and a whole bunch of river. Those of you who've watched my videos probably seen me come down to this spot before in the heat of the summer. We hiked down river, just piles and piles of dead fish. So we know there's fish in here. It's pretty early. I was looking at the bridge there, and there's quite a bit of ice under the water. But I think we're gonna well, I know we're gonna head down to this creek mouth. I'm hoping there's enough water flowing there that there's a little bit of a current. See if we can't find some trout. I got some worms, I got some trout eggs, and I was told that I don't know what you want to call them, little minnows are flowing through the river right now. So the trout are pretty excited, and I think we might have some luck. So looks like the beach is pretty good for walking. I can see some folks down there with their dogs. So gonna hike up this trail a little ways and then make our way down to the water and hike along till we can find a good spot, set up. I got stuff for a fire and maybe do a little cooking too. Brought a little surprise treat, so we'll get into that a little later. But for now, we're just gonna walk down here, find our fishing hole. So stay tuned, and we'll see you down at the river. Absolutely gorgeous day. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. A little bit of snow left, but not too bad. All right, see you at the water. Well, we made it. Not as much water as I'd hoped, but a little more than last year. And there's come a couple guys fishing across the river, so who knows? Maybe it'll be good. Anyways, it's gonna be about I don't know, 20 minutes or so. I gotta get all rigged up. None of my lake stuff or river stuff is ready, so dig through my tackle, get set up, and I think we're going to start with some bottom fishing. Put on a nice greasy worm and some trout eggs, and see what the fish are interested in. So stay tuned. It's going to be a good day. It's absolutely gorgeous. Going to gather some stuff for a fire here in a little bit once we do some fishing. Yeah, get right after it here. Lots of wildlife today. I've seen a couple eagles, a couple swans, some geese, some ducks. So yeah, lots of activity. Beautiful spring day. So let's get right to it. We'll see you guys when we're fishing here in a moment. Only got about 14% battery left. Haven't done much filming. Just gathering some wood. I'm gonna light the fire and cook up some little mushrooms. Growing mushrooms. I got mushrooms on the mind. Cook up some little sausages. Try a little bit more fishing and call her a day. It's been a bit of a grind. Haven't got a damn thing. A couple little bites and that was it. So a couple guys across river have been getting them, but there's not much action on this side. So I think next time I go out I'll be heading over where they are, because, well, come unprepared and things you don't prepare for happen, like dead GoPro batteries. So here we are on the cell phone, doing the cell phone thing. Got the fire going, pulled the rod out of the water. I haven't really been getting any action, so gonna chill by the fire here for a bit and cook up some little sausages. Cooked these up at the store today. Some cocktail smokies, nice little bite-sized little devils. Fry some of them up. Eat these spits. The guys over there have been doing pretty good. They've probably pulled 4 or 5 out of the water now, but not this guy. Not sure what's going on. But I didn't bring much gear today. More or less just wanted to get out, do some filming, make a video for you guys. And yeah, dead GoPro battery was a pretty good start to the year, I'd say. Anyways, no big deal. We got the cell phone. Quality's not the greatest, but hey, it'll do the trick. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna cook up some food here and do a little bit more fishing. Probably try casting some different lures. I don't have much in my tackle box, mostly ice fishing gear. So I gotta get reorganized again for summer fishing. So thanks for coming along, and yeah, we'll catch up with you in a moment. Oh yeah, look at those little devils, eh? Be pretty tasty. Little morsels of goodness. Pretty nice day for March. See, there's a little snow on the side over there, but pretty well clear all the way around here. A little bit of ice along the river, but nothing too major. Been a pretty good day, other than dead batteries in the GoPro and no fish. Pretty used to not catching any fish. The day's not over yet though. Still got some time to put one on shore. Anyways, dogs are cooking up nice. Still got a few hours of sunlight. Things are looking good. Gotta have the condiments, right? A little bit of ketchup on there. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at those greasy morsels. Well, had my afternoon snack. About 8 or 10 hoagies. Little teeny hoagies. And snapped off my last bottom rigging. Got snagged. Just using lightweight line, so turns out I gonna have to upgrade to some heavier line if I'm gonna be fishing out here, because there's just way too many snags. So I'm going to switch to a lure. Let's see, what do I got? Probably I'm gonna try something like this, little blue fox spinner. Right now I got the old jigger head on. Try that out for a bit. A few casts of that. Put a little worm on it. Try that out. See what happens. Fire's going nice. Nice and warm. And yeah, we'll let that die down a little bit. Do a little bit more fishing. Maybe cook up some more cocktail weenies. And see what happens. It's still absolutely gorgeous out. Lots of sunshine left. Temperature's nice. Can't really complain. No sense in it. Hopefully we can catch a fish. Be nice. I did see some fish chasing my lure, chasing my worm when I was reeling up earlier, so there is fish sitting around here. It's just a matter of being patient enough and letting them bite. So here we go. Let's try it again. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching. And yeah, hopefully we'll get a shot of a fish here before the day's done. Well, giving up on the fishing for today. Gonna hang out by the fire, cook a couple more hot dogs, and just enjoy the evening. So yeah, thanks a lot for coming along. Not very eventful. Hope you guys enjoyed the bike footage from this morning. Pretty nice, but way too greasy. So I was hoping to get a little farther on the trail today, but the ground's still frozen underneath all that mud, so it's pretty dicey going. But we'll get out there on the trail some more and maybe do a couple hikes. I got a couple places in mind for this spring. Some caves and stuff that I'd like to check out. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for more fishing. And thanks for coming out and checking out my channel. So hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Welcome to spring and welcome to many more summertime videos. Stay tuned, and like always, we'll see you guys in the next one. A little bit of a walk back to the truck. All in all, a good day. Fish or not. Got to have a fire by the water.
Fantastic.
Relax, enjoy the scenery. Watch the birds. Saw other people catch fish. I don't know what that's all about.